Latest Household Expenditure Survey by Nsso. Insights from the latest
Household Expenditure Survey by Nsso. Understand the impact of government initiatives on poverty reduction. Dive into the significant shifts in consumption inequality over the last decade. Consumption gap between Bharat and India getting bridged. Last Nsso survey on household consumption expenditure in 2011-12. Rapid decline in poverty and shrinking consumption gap. Rural poverty dropped significantly, showing government initiatives' effectiveness. Urban poverty also witnessed a notable decrease. The gap between rural and urban consumption is narrowing, indicating reduced inequality.
Rural revival. Infrastructure driving change. Improved infrastructure contributing to rural mobility and economic activities.
Enhanced connectivity leading to more equitable income distribution in rural areas. Government initiatives like PMGSY, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, playing a key role. Bridging the URBANR-URAL divide. Rapid convergence of rural and urban consumption patterns. Decrease in the urban-rural consumption gap across various classes. Rural areas showing faster growth in certain consumption categories. Changing phases of consumption in India. Significant changes in the types of goods and services consumed. Rural homes spend 46.38% on food items vs 39.17% in urban areas. Rural food spend at 46.38% of monthly spend vs 52.90% earlier. Increase in discretionary spending, especially in rural areas. Decreasing share of food in overall consumption, indicating lifestyle changes. Transport accounts for largest share 80.08% of non-food spend for rural and urban homes. Urban homes spend monthly budget for transport vs 6.62% earlier. Rural homes spend 7.38% of monthly budget for transport vs 4.20% earlier. Inflation and CPI adjustments. Revised Consumer Price Index (CPI) weights impacting inflation numbers. Rural households spending less on food items vs earlier survey. Low food inflation contributing to a reduced headline CPI. The balance between food and core inflation affecting overall economic indicators. Decoding India's average monthly expenditure. Average all India urban monthly spend at 6,459 rupees per. Average all India rural monthly spend at 3,773 rupees per. Chandigarh tops urban average monthly spend at 12,575 rupees per. Chandigarh tops rural average monthly spend at 7,467 rupees per. Chhattisgarh lowest with rural average monthly spend at 2,575 rupees per. Chhattisgarh lowest with urban average monthly spend at 4,000. Survey coverage parameters. 8,723 villages and 6,115 urban blocks covered across India. Survey covered 2,61,746 households. 1. 55.04 rural households. 1,06,000. Follow us to get more such financial information nuggets.